Voice of Indonesia.
Listener, Indonesian badminton players will join All England 2025, and we know that the Indonesia Badminton Federation, or PBSI, of course, has prepared so much to compete at All England 2025. And to know much more about it, we are with Public Relation Director of Indonesia Badminton Federation, Bapak Dadi. How are you today, Pak Dadi? I'm fine. I'm Faisal at Studio of Voice of Indonesia, Pak Dadi.
Thank you, Mas Faisal, for the interview. I'm happy to represent PBSI to share our updates on All England preparations.
Okay, so Pak Dadi, actually, we know that, and I believe that the PBSI has prepared so much about this, to compete at All England 2025. So could you tell us about this, Pak Dadi?
Yeah, All England this year was special because last year we have winning two championship, men's single by Jonathan Christie and men's double and by Fajarian. So we are excited to meet this All England this year, and our athletes have been undergoing intensive training at the Cipayung, focusing on technical skill, physical conditioning, and mental resilience. You know that All England is one of the most prestigious tournament in the world, so we are working hard to participate, to join the competition, and our athlete will compete with all of the top badminton players in the world.
Okay. Pak Dadi, actually, what strategies will the team use to face tough opponents in this tournament?
Yeah, like I told you before, because All England is one of the most prestigious tournaments in the world, and actually it is the oldest badminton tournament in the world. We need to combine the strategies, smart strategies, adaptability, and mental toughness. So we need every athletes need to have a specific game plan when they face a specific rival. That's why our coaching team, national team director Eng Hian, and all the team work hard to combine all the strategy, adaptability, and mental toughness based on what we know about the rivals, the competitors, and knowing that Indonesia athletes usually rich in speed and agility and attacking play, particularly in doubles. So we need to optimize that in All England.
So you mean, Pak Dadi, until now the players have done exercise very hard?
Yes, of course. They undergo specific intensive training in Cipayung, and as you know that some of elite athletes like Jonathan Christie, Gregoria Mariska Tunjung, and Fajarian has not played since Indonesia Master 2025. So we hope that they have enough time to prepare and to recover and focus their concentration and the physical condition to face the All England.
Okay, so they also not only having, I can say like preparation for themselves, but also a physical and also even a mentality that the team has also prepared about this, Pak Dadi. So actually, there is news that the men's single Sinesuka Ginting cancelled the All England. Can you tell about this, Pak?
Yeah, unfortunately, Anthony Sinesuka Ginting cannot participate in this year's All England due to injury. Our coaching team, the medical doctors, and also our national team director already made decision that Ginting need more time to recover, so he can participate in future tournaments. Our long-term health of athlete is our priority, so it is tough decision, but we need to prioritize the well-being of the athlete. So PBSI has decided to not to Anthony Sinisuka Ginting not playing in All England.
So that means that there will be another person that will replace Sinisuka Ginting.
To join All England, you need a specific ranking yet.
Okay.
In men's single, so we will have only Jonathan Christie and Chico Aura Dwi Wardoyo. Originally, we will have 3 players in men's single, but with Ginting retired, we only have Jonathan Christie and Chico.
So how about their readiness right now, Pak Dadi?
Yeah, our coaching team and medical doctor works on physical and mental conditions. And so far, from the information that I have, they are well monitored and in good shape. And we hope that they will have a peak condition during the games. We know that they have to travel quite far, but we're not only focused on physical, but also on recovery, nutrition, and mental preparation to help our players perform at their best in this big stage.
Including maybe such as maybe special time maybe for their family, Pak Dadi?
Yeah, we are grateful that the families, the spouse, the partners of our athletes has been supportive to our athletes. So thank you. We thank them for their participation and support.
Okay, so Pak Dadi, we know that the best team, I believe that the best team that has already chosen by Indonesia or PBSI will also fight directly and also during this All England 2025. So actually, Pak Dadi, beside having physical preparation and even tough exercise, is there another thing that can support directly to the players, Pak Dadi?
There have been many changes in the top world ranking athletes across sectors. Yeah.
Yes.
So like Jonathan Christie will meet Victor Axelsen, Anders Antonsen, Siyuki. They've been there for quite some time. They have been competing at highest level for quite some time and know each other playing style very well. That's why we need a very specific strategy and game plan for each competitors. But the competitors also know our athlete because they already meet several times before.
I see.
You know that in top 10 athletes, there are not many changes. They have been there. They've been competing each other for quite some time. That's a well prepared scenario for specific rivals is very specific, but that very very important. But at the same time, they also know our athletes well.
Okay.
That's the challenge that we have in a prestigious tournament like All England.
It's really challenging ya, Pak Dadi ya.
Yes.
So Pak Dadi, during Ramadan, Pak Dadi, especially maybe for the players who are doing fasting, maybe how do you see this, Pak Dadi? I mean about the exercise and also many more.
Yeah, we consult with religious teacher about how our athlete has been in fasting month, and we give them options, but maybe in the day of competition they will not be fasting. I guess it is understandable, and it is a common practice. Then when you have something more important, you cannot not fasting at that time. You cannot it is okay not fasting at that time.
So during Ramadan they keep on doing exercise ya, Pak Dadi ya.
Yeah, and getting more and more intense because it's about 6 days from now, and today from the date they have to travel quite far from Jakarta to London and next to Birmingham.
Okay, so Well, basically, who are the top players from Indonesia who will, compete in the All England 2025, Pak Dedi? Can you tell us, Pak Dedi?
Yeah, in men's single we have Jonathan Christie, the last year champion, and Chico Aura Dwi Wardoyo. In women's single we have Gregoria Mariska Tunjung, the bronze medalist of Paris Olympic, and we have Putri Kusuma Wardani. Putri has been performing good in some competitions before All England. In mixed double we have Fajarian, of course, the incumbent, the last year champion. We have also Bagas Leo and Daniel Fikri. We also have independent players from Indonesia, or that usually mentioned as non-pelatnas. We have in men's double Sabar Reza, and in mixed double Rehan and Gloria. So with this combination of athlete, we can expect we have a optimal achievement in the All England.
Okay, so Pak Dadi, during the the monitor or the observation of the team, actually, what are the chances of the top Indonesian players to win the title in this tournament, Pak Dadi?
Yeah, like our national team director said that our athlete need to be more decisive in critical time. You know, when in the last points, in a very critical time, our athlete needs to have more mental strength,
Okay.
and decisiveness to and calm to deal with a very critical time. That's why in preparation, it's not only about physical, but only the psychological aspect of the athlete. So we can hope they can deal with very critical situation during the games.
Okay. Well, so who are the tough opponents, Pak Dadi, that the Indonesian badminton team will face in the All England 2025?
Yeah, we see if we mention countries, we will have a very tough competition with China, Denmark, Japan, Korea, and Malaysia. They are now the athletes from those countries are now the top players in many sectors in badminton. We also indicate that French players now play better, like Popov. But mostly, like I said, in the top 10 world badminton, there are no many changes. It's just about how can the athlete read the pattern of their competitor and get advantage from that knowledge.
So until now, Pak Dadi, how does the PBSI give such support or even optimism to the team so that they will be really, really ready to face the tournament?
Yeah, we are grateful that now we have equipped the team with new coaches and also new supporting team like the sports science team and also the medical doctors. So with the new composition of those experts, we hope that we can achieve optimal achievement in the All England, because it is not only about the physical or technical, but also about mental strength and the psychological aspect of the athlete that significantly influence their performance.
Well, before leaving Jakarta to London, Pak Dadi, is there also such as I can say direction maybe or suggestion maybe from the Minister of Youth?
We have a good communication with Ministry of Youth, but maybe not specifically in an event or ceremony prior to our departure to All England. But we have managed a very good communication, and we are grateful that the Minister of Youth have shown significant support for Indonesian badminton.
Okay, so what are the targets, Pak Dadi, that Indonesian badminton team wants to achieve the All England this year?
Yeah, knowing that Jojo was last year's champion and Fajarian is last year champion. We also hope that we can defend those titles, and we also have a big hope to Gregoria Mariska Tunjung that shows many progress in her game. So we are optimistic that we can achieve an optimal achievement in this All England.
Okay, so the last part tadi actually, so what is your expectation Pak Dadi for all the teams and also even Indonesian supporters nih? This is Pak Dadi, so that
Of course,
they can
we
also
need-
support Indonesian team for this All England.
Yeah, I hope this during Ramadan, the prayer and the support from Indonesian people will give more confidence and give more psychological support to our athletes in All England, and also we hope that we can give a good present for Indonesian people in World Badminton.
All right, thank you very much Pak Dadi Krismantoro for your time to join our special review, and we hope that Indonesian team will be much ready and also even can do their best and even to win the tournament, and Indonesia will be proud of having this team. Thank you Pak Dadi.
Of course, we hope so, and we hope that Indonesian people supports our team in All England. Thank you.
Amin. Thank you Pak Dadi, and good day Pak Dadi.
Good day.
Okay,
Selamat
well listener, that was our special review with Dadi Krismantoro as Public Relations Director of Indonesia Badminton Federation. I'm Ahmad Faisal. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Voice of Indonesia.